Build a reliable team. Flipping houses isn't a solo mission, it's a team effort, and the people you bring on board can make or break your success. Building a reliable team means surrounding yourself with professionals who are not just skilled, but also trustworthy and efficient. The right team will save you time, money, and a ton of headaches, helping you turn your vision into reality. Start with a solid general contractor. This person is the backbone of your operation, coordinating everything from demolition to the final coat of paint. You want someone experienced, organized, and communicative. Don't just hire the first contractor you come across. Take the time to check their credentials, ask for references, and review their previous work. A great contractor will not only execute your plans, but also offer valuable advice on how to improve the project or cut costs without sacrificing quality. Next, you'll need specialists like electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians. These roles are critical because they deal with the systems that keep a home functional and safe. The last thing you want is to cut corners in these areas. Hire licensed professionals who can ensure the work is up to code, and don't be afraid to ask for certifications and warranties. A small investment in the right specialist now can save you from costly repairs or legal issues down the road. Let's not forget your support team. A sharp real estate agent will help you understand the market and price the property competitively. A savvy accountant can keep your finances in check, ensuring you stay on budget and maximize profits. And having a dependable lawyer to handle contracts and permits can give you peace of mind. Each member of your team plays a crucial role, so choose wisely. A reliable team doesn't just help you flip a house, it helps you flip it successfully and stress-free.